Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Influencer Beat. Today we're going to go through the different campaign types, specifically the moderation steps that could be involved with each. So we'll go through step by step how to complete a campaign and see it all the way through. Let's get started. First things first, what is a campaign? If you're unfamiliar with campaigns, they're pretty much what we're all about here at indaHash. Through our app, brands can target influencers and ask them to post promotional content to their feed, and then of course, get paid for it. So with that being said, I'll show you what the moderation process looks like. Keeping in mind, of course, that not every campaign that a brand runs with us will be able to be seen by you in the campaign page, depending, of course, if you were targeted or not for said campaign. And when you can join a campaign and join it, our moderators will have to check your profile manually to make sure that your profile suits the campaign and the brand image. So with that being said, just because you can join a campaign, it doesn't always mean that you're going to qualify straight away. For influencers, we try to keep this as simple as possible. Essentially, what you need to know is there's 3 possible stages of moderation that you will have to go through depending on the campaign. There's a recruitment stage, a pre-moderation stage, and lastly, a moderation stage for campaigns. Okay, we're going to go step by step through the flow for a campaign with pre-moderation and moderation because this is the most common type of campaign for our clients. For a campaign like this, there's essentially a 2-step verification process. First, influencers propose content through the app, and that content is checked by us and the client, and that's the pre-moderation part. And then if the content is accepted by the client and us, influencers are asked to post the content with the correct caption to their profiles, where then it has to be checked again to make sure the right content and the right caption was posted. If yes, the influencer will find that the balance in their indaHash app has increased, and they can withdraw that money when they're ready. Okay, so first when you open the app, you'll see the main campaign page. If you see a campaign that seems like an attractive brand to you, click See More. Here you'll see all the need-to-know information like campaign duration, the task for the campaign, and of course you'll see the amount you'll receive for accomplishing the campaign. And all the need-to-knows like tags and hashtags. If you like it, just click I'm interested, then make some content, choose Propose Content, and upload it into the app. You'll also add a caption and hashtags, then send for approval. Now we will run the pre-moderation process and check that your profile, your proposition, and the caption all meet the requirements of the campaign. If it doesn't, you might be asked to make some changes or could be rejected, especially if the campaign is a very popular campaign in the app and enough other influencers are accepted before you and the campaign closes. So you're going to want to go back into the app, click Join Now. This action will reserve the budget for you, so it's rather important that you do this as soon as possible. And it will send you into the moderation stage of the campaign. Essentially, you're given 24 hours to post your pre-accepted photo to your profile. We make this quite easy in the app. You click Copy to copy the exact proposed caption, click I'm in to agree to the clause that you own the copyright to your proposition, and then click I'm in again and you'll be redirected right to Instagram. Pretty simple from here. Choose your pre-approved content and the pre-approved caption and publish. Now, go back to the indaHash app and click Already Done. Then you should receive information that your post has been detected. If you don't receive this information, you should contact our support team. Lastly, you just have to wait for the final moderation, where we simply check and make sure your post is all set to go. And once finally checked, your balance in the indaHash app will increase and you can withdraw your payment from the app when you're ready. So that's step by step for campaigns with pre-moderation and moderation. But now let's go through campaigns that have an extra step, that is recruitment moderation. So recruitment campaigns are campaigns where we collect a list of interested influencers in the campaign before the campaign actually begins. The client will then receive the list of interested influencers, choose the influencers which they feel are the most appropriate for the campaign. Then the campaign is given back to those selected influencers to complete as a normal pre-moderation and moderation campaign. You'll know a campaign is in the recruitment stage of a campaign because it'll say coming soon on the photo inside the app, and in the title it'll say recruitment campaign. So if you're in the app and you want to try out for a recruitment campaign, simply click See More, read about the task, and if you're interested, click I'm interested. That's it for now. As you wait, the client will take a look, and if they choose you, you'll get a notification that the actual campaign is waiting for you, and you can go back into the app and just go forward just as you would with a normal campaign with pre-moderation. So those are the 3 moderation stages you should know inside the indaHash app when completing campaigns. Now remember, no matter the campaign, make sure to read the instructions carefully, and once you're done posting your post, go back to the indaHash app and press I'm done to make sure that we know that you posted it and you can get your money. That's it. I really hope this helped. This has been the Influencer Beat. I'll see you around, and until then, happy campaigning.